Hello everyone to another daily journaling. This is the third attempt. I was thinking I'm recording myself before, but apparently I was just talking into the air. So I'm in my hometown and it's nice here, it's familiar, it's like gives you some specific vibes, I guess, because you know the place pretty well. But I also feel like going to a place you know very well gives you also the impression that this place is kind of stuck in time and is not progressing. But even though there is progress, it's just since if you tend to move, I guess, a lot, you just see all the time new things, and it's different when you come back to something you know, something that is familiar. And yeah, that I kind of appreciate. So yeah, it's just everything is the same. This is since I don't know, too many years the same. And I mean, it doesn't need to change. It's still functional. It's still the same. It's just, I guess, nice. Everything has its old vibes. It's a diverse place, my hometown. So this is also nice. But when you like arrive at the train station, I just see people who, oh, these sunflowers are beautiful. Look at those beauties. This dark color, really nice. Amazing. Oh, that's amazing, really. That's beautiful. Beauty, beauty, beauty. I just see a lot of people not sick necessarily, but you just see that there are some unhealthy people in this city. It is one of the, it's not a wealthy city, so lots of people are in the borderline between poor and not poor, I guess. Even though I think the majority is pretty well off. Everyone has their a roof over their head. Obviously for some people it might be a bit more tight and less space, but at the end of the day I think it seems that everyone really has a roof over their heads and has something to eat at the end of the day, even if it's not the most nutritious meal of all time. So I'm now on the way to the small garden. My parents have to check if everything is all right or not. And I like it. I mean, I don't like walking. Usually I would take my bike for this now, even if it's only a 15-minute walk in total. But since the tires of my bike didn't have that much air in it, I decided to walk, and I don't like it because it's just such an inefficient way to going from one point to the other point. And I'm an impatient person. I think it's very well also reflected in my behavior. So I think it's a good training for me to be patient. Like, it takes time to reach a point. So I need to, And I came to the conclusion, I honestly really do not think I should continue with this psychiatrist thingy, because it just doesn't make any sense. Like, also I think because I have already a predetermined opinion about myself and of who I am and what's right and wrong, and I feel as if someone is trying to impose their views on me, which I really don't like. So I guess, I'm just gonna say it's not a match. Like, I tried, I'm not enjoying it, I want this to be over. There are usually some cows here, they're beautiful, but they're not here currently. This is a place where they store stuff for construction site, which I found as a child always really interesting, because there are all these big tools or blocks of whatever. It's just interesting. And I hope that there is in the garden some type of veggies so I can make myself a nice pasta. I don't have, unfortunately, cheese, but I think that should be alright. Because I like when you make this with fresh tomatoes and balsamico some pasta and then you put some cheese over it. It's like the best thing ever. Yeah, but no, life is good. Life is calm, and I'm walking slowly but steadily, and I'm about to get to where I want to go, so that's good. Yeah, but I feel like my research is a little bit too slowly progressing because there are so many people and so many people have their opinions, and I'm not sure how to coordinate it. And I've been to too many conferences, so there was always interruption. And now I am supposed to go on vacation because I have too many vacation days. So let's see how I figure this out. But otherwise, everything is good, and I think now I would like to end because it's already 6 minutes and I'm about to reach my destination. So I wish everyone a good evening and a nice weekend. Bye bye.